Makers Meetup just ended and we've discussed results from our water tests. We've started with the first point about the weight. In our opinion, we don't need on the drone heavy metal parts, second platform, and we ended up narrow the drone, and it not only reduced the weight but also made it more transportable. So now only one person can transport it. We also removed the complicated attachment for the drone box and connected it directly to our drone case. After discussion, we decided that the next step should be not making our drone more technically advanced, but to bring the drone to people, to real usage, and start collecting trash. Also, we decided to proceed with remote controller for now. Of course, we still have a capability of using autopilot and GPS, but now the remote will be the main way to control the drone. So the goal for the next meeting will be to improve the signal for the remote and prepare to the next water, and not only water but trash collecting. It will be not a test at all, it will be a real job. Trash busters on the way. We also spent some time to organize all our tools, and Dennis came up with a great idea of separating materials, tools and projects, and also Ark helped a lot with organizing tools. See you next Wednesday at Pirate Bay at 7 p.m.